Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fun and creative topic, how to create ambience with lighting. Whether you're looking to make your home feel cozy, romantic or lively, lighting plays a crucial role. Stick around until the end for some expert tips that will transform your space. Let's get started. Lighting can completely change the look and feel of a room. It's not just about visibility, it's about creating right mood and atmosphere. Here are some key tips and tricks to help you master the art of lighting. First, let's talk about the different types of lighting. There are three main types of lighting: ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. Understanding this will help you layer your lighting effectively. Firstly, ambient lighting. Ambient lighting is your main source of light. It provides overall illumination for a room. Think of it as the base layer of your lighting design, using ceiling lights, chandeliers, or wall-mounted lights to create soft and inviting glow. Secondly, task lighting. Task lighting is focused on specific areas where activities take place. These include desk lamp for your workspace, reading lights by your favorite chair, and under cabinet lighting in the kitchen. Task lighting should be bright enough to prevent eye strain but not too harsh. Now, let's talk about accent lights. Accent lights adds drama and focus to certain features in your room. Use spotlights to highlight artwork, LED strips to accentuate architectural features, and picture lights to draw attention to your favorite pieces. Accent light creates visual interest and adds depth to your space. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into some creative ways to use lighting to set the mood. First, consider using dimmers. Dimmers allow you to adjust the light intensity to match the mood. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or having a quiet movie night, dimmers gives you control over the ambience. Second, play with color temperature. Warm light around 3000 Kelvin creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. Cool light around 6500 Kelvin is more energizing and works well in kitchens and bathrooms. Mixing these temperatures can create dynamic and inviting spaces. Third, layer your lighting. Combining ambient, task, accent lighting creates a balanced and versatile lighting scheme. Use multiple lighting sources at different levels to add dimension and avoid shadows. Another great tip is to use smart lighting. With smart bulbs and lighting system, you can change colors, adjust brightness, and even set schedules all from your smartphone. This is an excellent way to customize your lighting to suit any occasion. Don't forget about outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, garden lights can turn your backyard into a magical retreat. Outdoor lighting extends your living space and create a welcoming atmosphere. And finally, think about the style of your lighting fixtures. The design of your lamps, chandeliers should complement your decor. Whether your preference is modern, rustic or classic styles, the right fixture can enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. To recap, create ambience with lighting by using dimmers, playing with color temperature, layering your lighting, utilizing smart lighting, adding outdoor lights, and choosing stylish fixtures. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lighting tips and tricks. See you next time.